Today we are going to learn how to fix your regulator to your cylinder. And if you look at the regulator before it is fixed, this is how it looks like. So what you got to do is you just press this and then you twist it clockwise, and then you will have your regulator fixed on your gas. So we are going to demonstrate that. So you just place your regulator on top of the cylinder. I hope you can see that. And then press this knob and twist it clockwise. And there you are. Your regulator is fixed. And so you can even try off to turn on your gas. Make sure it's connected to your power. And then you go to just try to turn it on, and there you go. And that's all. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe. Regulator from your gas cylinder. And this is how your regulator looks like inside. You can see it has a pin here, and also it has a knob that is going to attach the regulator to your cylinder. If you try to turn it, you can see this knob is also turning like that. This is the fixer that is going to fix onto your cylinder. And so if you want to fix it, you don't just place it on top of your cylinder, because it will mean that it can just easily fall off or just come out. So you just need to place it on top like that, and then turn it clockwise like that to the middle there. And when now you try to lift it, you can even be able to lift it together with your cylinder. It cannot come out. But that is not all. If you try to turn on your gas cooker, it will mean that the gas is not running through. So if you want the gas to come through, then you just need to turn it fully that way, and now the gas can come through. That is how you simply fix your cylinder, your regulator, sorry. And if you want to unfix, it's just the same process, but now opposite. So you just need to turn this off. At the middle there you have turned off your gas, and then you twist it fully, and your regulator can come out very easily. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe.